How to fix commenting too fast in TikTok. Fix you were tapping too fast, take a break option on TikTok. Now, whenever you're commenting something on TikTok, and if TikTok is giving you that particular error that says you've been commenting too much lately, just take a break, it just means that you can just take a couple of hours of break before you can comment again, because what happens is TikTok has noticed a spammy behavior from your account, which is why they have limited your access. In this case, you might have been commenting too much on other people's posts, and that could be one of the reasons why you're not being able to comment now. You can also check if you have got any type of restrictions within your account by coming to your profile icon from the bottom right, and you'll find it right here if your account is restricted or not. In some cases, what you can do is, by the way, you can tap the three lines option, go to settings and privacy, you can try to log out and wait a couple of minutes and log in back again, and then that should be able to help you. But in most cases, if TikTok has detected a spammy behavior from your account, they will limit your access to it. So in that case, the best thing that you can do is just simply wait. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.